I'm a huge believer in the power of saying no to stuff that doesn't fit, saying no to clients that you don't like, saying no to clients that take up a lot of your time, saying no to clients that don't want to pay you on time, no to clients that don't want to pay you the rates that you know that you're worth. I say no a lot to people in my business, and I advocate that people say no to people that don't fit in their cleaning businesses too. You should have a clear strategy in mind of the exact type of people that are going to give you the exact type of business that you want to have. That type that is high profit, low stress, and can run without you. If it can't do those things, then you're moving away from where you want to be. So we need to make sure that we're always looking through that lens. Is this high profit? Is this low stress? Could this eventually be done without me? Could somebody else do this? So those are the things we're looking at. But what tends to happen is people just, again, say yes to everything. But why do they feel the need to say yes? Usually it's because their marketing sucks. If you have a really good way of marketing yourself and you're generating high quality leads, you probably aren't going to feel the sting to say yes to stuff as much because you can be more selective. So it's all about being able to generate enough high quality leads, being able to generate the type of work that you really want, so that when something comes along that doesn't really fit, you don't just feel like we have to say yes to it.